in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort rows based off of dollar figures. It's super easy. Let's do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a really simple spreadsheet here in Excel. I'm using a Mac, but this is obviously going to be very similar depending on what platform you're using. And we've got a little sheet that shows our sales associates, the dates of their sales, the number of sales, and then some monetary figures that are associated with that. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to actually sort this entire table based off of the highest total sales so I can see that salesperson up top. Now, in order to do that, we need to select all of the rows that we want Excel to sort for us. So we can either come up here and click on this box over in the corner, which will highlight the entire sheet. Now, this is only good if you just have simple data and you don't have any of these other headers or any of these other things here. Instead, what we want to do is we actually just want to sort a specific set of rows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in this cell. I'm just going to drag over and select all the data that I want sorted. Okay, now that we have what we want to sort selected, what we now need to do is use the sort function. So I'm going to come up here and I'm just going to click on this little data menu. That's going to bring us up all sorts of different options that we can use, including this little sort button right here. I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, we have some options. So what we want to do is we want to sort by, again, our total sales. So that column is right here, and we want to use this little drop-down menu, and as you can see, it's automatically named the columns based off of our headers. Now, if this header line wasn't here, you could select the A, B, C, D, E functions up on the top there. Those would show up here, but since we have names, we can actually use that. So I want to use total sales, and then what it's going to do is it's automatically going to use the value system, and then it's going to order from the smallest to the largest. Now, I actually want to sort from the largest to the smallest, so I can hit this little menu here, and I can just select that one that's down below. All right, and that's basically it. We're ready to go. Watch what happens when I click the OK button. As you can see, Jill moved up to the top because she has the greatest total sales, and everybody else aligned below her. Again, it's as simple as that, friends. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button. It lets us know we're making helpful videos. And subscribe because we are actually making a bunch more Excel tutorial videos, and those should be helpful in bringing a lot more life to your Excel spreadsheets. We're going to show you formulas, we're going to show you all sorts of really cool functions that you can do. So subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon.